Hola, hello everybody, how are you all doing? Today I'm going to take up the different kinds of sports. What do we call the different sports in Spanish? So let's start. Cycling in Spanish is called el ciclismo. Athletics is called el atletismo. Skiing is called el esquí. Horse riding is la equitación. Sailing is la vela. Skating el patinaje. Swimming la natación. Gymnastics la gimnasia. Hockey is el hockey as we say in English. Badminton is again al badminton and it remains like we say in English. Basketball is al baloncesto. Cricket is al cricket, same as we say in English. Rugby is al rugby, same as English. Football is al football. Tennis is al tennis, same as we say in English with just one single N, unlike English. Volleyball is al volleyball. Squash is al squash, same as we say in English. Surfing is surfing as we say in English, and windsurfing again is same as we say it in English. These are some of the sports that I have introduced you all with. However, if you want to know about some more sports, please put down them in the comment section below. I hope this video was useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for my next video on colors. Adios, gracias.